So what we're showing here is really how analytics can help in terms of dealing with data that already exists in our industrial operations. One type of analytics is to look at what has happened. So taking data from various data sources like we have here, maybe an historian, an MES database, a proprietary database, and have a software like Wonderware Intelligence transform the data into something that is a little more useful for end users to analyze with client tools. Some like Tableau software that is embedded in Wonderware Intelligence, or Power BI, or Alpana, or ClickView. There's several tools that are available to analyze the data. As an example, I'm showing here in this view, in this dashboard, how valves operate into a pipeline. And we can see here how valves have operated over maintenance in this square area here. And clicking here allows me to view the details of that valve's operation and understand how the current and how the closing time is varying for those equipment. So that's one aspect of looking at what has happened with the data. The next thing is we want to understand what could happen with the data, what if type of scenarios. And here we're dealing with predictive analytics with Avantis Prism, where we can look at historical data, understand patterns in that historical data, and then provide early warning detection that something is going wrong with the data and we may go towards a failure. And as an example, we can look at what we have here on the screen, where the system has detected in this screen a series, it is monitoring a series of pieces of equipment, assets, and detecting an alarm state for one piece of equipment. And once we see that, we can go into the details of that piece of equipment and understand which of the variables involved in the model, the predictive model of Avantis Prism, has been causing the deviation from normal operation. So that is really, in a nutshell, how predictive analytics can look at what has happened and what could happen with what-if type of analysis.